Hey, the Cannabis Medic here. Today I want to talk about getting your own justice and watch out for what you do. So let me tell you about a guy here at the Avantis in the Ulster building named Jason Habenhauser. Now, Jason Habenhauser, at the time I kind of knew he was disbarred, but when I started this, I didn't fully understand. So let's just talk about, let me give you a background history before you trust somebody like this. Let's do some background history because this guy's such a dishonorable piece of crap. Let's explain it here. Jason Habenhauser is a former attorney based in Denver, Colorado, who was disbarred in July 2023 due to professional misconduct involving forgery and deceit. Forgery and deceit. He's a liar. Educational professional background. Well, somehow he graduated from University of Denver Stern College with a law degree in 2017. He faced challenges passing the bar exam. He failed it, but he failed a couple times because he's a fucking idiot. He finally became an attorney in New Mexico in 2019, and he finally passed the bar in 2020. Not to last long. So let's talk about what happened. So he gets barred, and then in the same year, he gets a fucking bar license. And it's right here, you can't miss it. In 2020, Habenhauser, through his company, Cultivating Sense, by the way, anybody fucking going into ATM deals with this asshole, listen up. In 2020, Habenhauser, through his company, Cultivating Sense, don't go for that, entered into an agreement with 303 Barbershop in Denver to install an ATM, with the profits split 40% to him and 60% to the barbershop. After the barbershop was sold in 2022, he presented the new owners with a forged contract that altered the profit split 90% in his favors. When the new owners declined, he took them to small claims court for breach of contract. During the trial, the notary whose signature appeared on the contract testified that he never notarized it, revealing the forgery. What a fucking idiot. He can't even fucking cheat in small claims court. What a fucking loser. The court found that Habenhauser had breached the original agreement by not paying the barbershop its rightful share and ordered him to pay $481. He went and lost his bar license and did all this shit over $400 fucking dollars, and he couldn't even cheat in small claims court because he's such a fucking idiot. Okay, not that I encourage cheating in any court, but this is the guy that wants to help you? Okay. Subsequently, Habenhauser was charged with forgery, offering a false instrument for recording, and attempting to influence a public servant. He pleaded guilty to the latter charge in 2022, resulting in a 2-year supervised deferred judgment and probation, which he was trying to practice law here during that time. I'll show you that too. The Colorado Office of Attorney Regulation recommended disbarment, stating that his actions caused harm to the reputation of the legal profession. Habenhauser agreed to the punishment, and a disciplinary judge disbarred his stupid ass. This case underscores the importance of honesty and integrity in the legal profession. He wouldn't know what those fucking 2 words mean. Trust me on that. So you remember this piece of crap? That's the same shit I was talking about. When I first met him, I didn't understand much. He wasn't allowed to do this. He was fucking off again, breaking all the rules, doing whatever he wants, talking shit. He's so full of shit. And yeah, 2/12/2024. You know what? This is around the same time he was still on probation. I wonder if this is practicing law without a license. Needless to say, his fucking state court was a fucking, it was a joke, man. He fucking lost. He didn't get anything real out of it. He's a fucking loser. And right now, he's crying. I kicked his ass off my case. No matter what he tells you, you can look up the case yourself. Okay? I'm the one who severed his ass. And guess what? They kicked his ass off my case. They gave him a new one, and basically it made him start over without paying a $500 filing fee again. That's all that happened. And then he brings in these two girls who had 2010 claims well before my time and tries to ramrod it down my throat. By the way, when you get any type of legal person helping you, and especially a dishonorable piece of shit like this, he'll turn a simple complaint into what is called a shotgun or scattergun complaint, which is basically you accuse everybody in the fucking planet with every fucking charge you can think of and hope they figure it out. Courts don't like that shit, and it's also a violation of court rules. Rule 8, which, he's figuring out all these rules. Not really, because he keeps breaking them all. Another thing he likes doing, if you do something he don't like, he'll try to mess up your case by calling opposition and talking smack. Not that they care, but yeah, he's done that. Him and his new little MILF girlfriend with the loud hair and glasses. Yeah, their case ain't gonna last long either, but hey, they think it does. And meanwhile, he doesn't even follow the rules in the fucking apartment, so they keep booting his car. Let me tell you, do not have anything to do with this dishonorable piece of fucking shit. Everything I'm showing you, I can prove. He can't prove shit because he has no honor, and he's a fucking liar, and he's been proven it, and he's been convicted as a liar, a fucking liar and cheat. And don't use his fucking company cultivating sense. He will try to rip you off like he ripped off the new owners of 303 Barbershop. Okay? That's what he does. Habenauser, the bullshit. Habenauser, the dishonorable. That's what he is. Dishonorable Habenauser. He thinks he knows what he's doing. He thinks just because he went to law school that he's all that in a bag of chips. But he didn't even make it a fucking year with this bar card. Not one fucking year before they took it because he's a dishonorable piece of fucking dog shit. While he's running around Ulster building causing problems for everybody. This guy's just fucking off the hook. So I tell you what, Mr. Habenauser, I'm still waiting for the big defamation suit you said you're going to file on me and all the rest of the shit you're talking. But you know what? You're a dishonorable punk who violates the law, who cares nothing but himself. And you know what? You pissed off the wrong Marine, motherfucker. I'm going to make sure everybody knows about you. So you know what? Go ahead and send this over to opposing. Go ahead and send this to whoever the fuck you want to. I really don't care. As to everybody else, if you get cultivating sense trying to talk you into putting a fucking ATM machine in your place, tell them to fuck off. There's a whole bunch of other ATM companies that won't rip you off and won't play little fucking games with you. This guy, he's just a fucking, he's not even good at being a con artist, and he's not even good at hiding his bullshit. He's just a punk. He's one of those fucking punks. So, this is a cannabis medic telling you, watch out who you take in your case. Watch out who you take advice from. And you know what? I gave him a benefit of the doubt. I gave him a chance. Guess what he proved? He proved to be a dishonorable piece of dog shit. So, you know what, Habenauser? Go fuck you. Fuck yourself. Fuck your little girlfriend. And you keep fucking with me, and you might get yourself into some trouble. Go ahead and take that for whatever you want. It's not a threat. I'm being honest. So go ahead. Talk more shit. Send more shit over to opposing going, oh, he's talking bad about me. Nobody cares, you fucking little 3-year-old. You fucking pussy. Let me tell you about this asshole too. He talks all this shit about what he's going to do and how he's going to pay me back in court. We go to court, the motherfucker doesn't even show up. Yeah. Because he knows if he was going to show up, he was going to get fucked. So he didn't even show up. What a little pussy. Guy talks shit, and, dude, don't even send him a tampon. Let him go get his own. He's such a stupid fuck. Anyway, this is the Cannabis Medic, and I'm just letting you know what's going on over here. There are big changes happening in Avantis, not because of Mr. Habenauser or Dishonorable Habenauser, not because of him, and not because of his company cultivating sense. Yeah, don't use that company unless you feel like getting ripped off by him. Other than that, this is the Cannabis Medic, and this is my life at the Avantis, and yep, there are dishonorable pieces of shit who live here, and this is one of them. Don't listen to a word he fucking says. Don't believe me? Look all this up yourself. There's the case number on here, and you already have the case number of the federal case. Look it up yourself. He put in such stupid shit, they all laughed him out of fucking court. Fucking pussy. Show up, quit talking your shit, show up to court, and and be a man instead of a bitch. That's what you are. You're a little bitch. Men take accountability. Honorable adults take accountability. Little bitches. Well, I do what you're doing, you little bitch. This is a cannabis medic, and this is my life at the Avantis.